Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today I am going to share Unnakaya Ada without oil frying. For this recipe, we needed 2 ripe plantains, 2 eggs, half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, here I am using, and we need 2 tablespoons of ghee, 3/4 cup of shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons chopped cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon raisins. First, add the chopped bananas to the blender. Add 2 tablespoons brown sugar. Add half cup of milk. Add 2 eggs. Add a pinch of salt, and you can add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and blend it well. Blend everything together and keep it aside. Heat a saucepan and you can add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts and saute well until it's lightly brown. Add 1 tablespoon raisin and saute well. Add 3/4 cup of shredded coconut and mix it well until you get a light golden brown. For the filling, you need to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix it well. Once it's ready, you can turn off the heat and let it cool for some time. Heat a saucepan and add 1 teaspoon of ghee and spread it with a brush. Add half of the batter we prepared and cover and cook for like 3 to 4 minutes. You can spread the filling we prepared and you can pour the rest of the batter and cover and cook for like 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. Spread little ghee on another pan and you can flip the ada or cake to another pan and cook the other side for 5 minutes on low flame. Finally, when it's ready, you can flip the ada to a new plate and your Unnakaya Ada is ready now. Let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes and then you can slice and enjoy with a cup of tea. Unnakaya Ada is with the same filling as Unnakaya and this is made with no oil. Healthier option to try it out. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I will see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.